Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at the replacement handlebar assembly for your Thule Urban Glide 2 double jogging strollers. This part here will replace the handlebar assembly on your Thule Urban Glide 2 double jogging stroller. That stroller we sell separately. It's part number 10101951. If you notice, it includes the handlebar with the wrap on it, and includes the two cables. You can see that by turning that, activates the cables, and it also includes the two installation screws. Now the brake cable is sold separately. But that should do it for a look at the replacement handlebar assembly for the Thule Urban Glide 2 double jogging strollers.